Good morning. We're just a little bit late. That's expected. All right. What do we got for news today? Today's the 3rd. We have U.S. Jolt job openings. 10 a.m. That one has a red lightning bolt. So we'll put that right there so we don't forget. Check out this these 4-hour charts, shall we? Oh, damn. Guess I didn't realize how big of a move. Or yeah, we did. We saw the market coming up into here, into that consolidation at the all-time highs. We knew that. Kind of expecting a pullback today, especially all these 4-hour candles. We started consolidating up in here. NASDAQ was unable to hit all-time highs. 80 points away. Well, I guess it depends on if ES. I'm going to throw a line down at the previous all-time high from back here on ES. The 4-hour chart came down, got pretty close to that, rejected off of it. Oh, that just happened? Okay, so we'll see if it keeps rejecting off of that and goes higher. Then I guess we expect NASDAQ to take out its highs at some point today. Otherwise, just thinking we get a pullback into all this. These other colored lines, I don't know what color they are. These other lines are pivot points. I've never really used them. Alito uses them. I know some other people that use them. They seem to give reactions, so we'll just throw them on there and see. And then we have the point of control up here. 5-minute consolidated, and then we dropped. See if we stay in this range or if we... I don't want to draw too many things on here, but see if we bust out of this, go lower, or we stay in it and either chop around, go higher, or go lower. That's really those are the only options. So around 2100 on the low end. Are we open? Yeah. Oh, damn. It's already 9:32. Get these in 5 minutes. All right, delta's still a positive number. We've been going down. I think along down here, like I said, on the bottom, lower end of all of this, if we get a setup, would be okay. But we gotta wait. What's up, chef? I noticed this low and this low on price. Looking at this in here, delta didn't go down there, but price did. So I don't trust that. I don't know. We're just making notes. It's moving kind of like yesterday, where price gets to a swing before delta in either direction. I would prefer to see it happen with like only the moves up or only the moves down. Then we could say buying is stronger than selling, but price took out this high before delta did, and then on this little move down, price took out that low before delta did, before it took out its low. What's going on in Andresa? If you don't tell me how to pronounce it, I'm just gonna pronounce it differently every day. Hopefully everyone's doing good. We woke up to or it started snowing last night, so I woke up this morning and everything's white and I freaking love it. Not a lot of snow, but the ground is covered. And the car was covered. I think that news at 10 is all we really have to look out for. Oh, we have PMI or wait, that was yesterday. Yeah, today we just have job openings at 10, and then this afternoon there's some people talking, but nobody cares about them. If we look all the way back at pre-market, price is not at these two highs yet. Delta is taking this guy out, and we're around the 200 level. This could be a good short up here. Five minutes just hitting all this consolidation too. Freaking yes, all the way back at the lows. Probably looking for like, I'd be looking to get out around like 150-ish. That'd be 24 points from our average entry at 176. ES is breaking that low. NASDAQ is not yet. NASDAQ's not even near the low. Could have gotten this a little earlier up here before, I mean, that drop came out of nowhere. It's wrong way, NASDAQ. I have to get out of one or two up here. Frick. That was a good move, but we just got in way too late. Way too late. Let's see what it does up here. It's kind of frustrating. It's kind of frustrating that we ended up taking a loss on that. It just wasn't willing to go further. As soon as this swing high was put in, after this candle printed, I should have entered there, because then it was a 5-point risk and it went freaking 25 points. But instead, I was hesitant. Then this big drop came, then we added, so our entry was pulled down. So then I needed more points out of that move. What's up, McLovin? I still think this is a decent short. No, we saw this high and it wasn't aligning with a delta high, so I just got in a little too late and we didn't get enough points out of it, so I ended up taking losses on it. Instead of, had I got in right when it formed, it went 25 points. So we could have had our 20 points, but I just was too hesitant. I still think this is an okay short though up here, because we're still nowhere near this high. That feels like an unnecessary loss right there. But we scaled out, so it wasn't like 20 points on each contract. Off of 200. Chef. Like if this was going to drop and go back to the lows, I feel like this is the area it would be reversing. But it also, yeah, I know he is just sitting at those lows. And I like this right here. And it's that formed around a 200. Or I mean like around 100 level. We'll get in one. If it comes up here, we can add some. If it goes like way down here, we can add X. I still think it's a viable. I'm all right. Thank you. Hopefully it wasn't loud. I hate sneezing. I try to hold them in. All right, I got in that one just in case it did keep dropping, but I want this to come up here and we can, I want to add more, but I don't want what happened back here where it brought my average down. You made 140 on that, 145 on that trade? All right. Need us to do another pullback here. Could also be waiting. It could also be waiting until 10 for like a bigger move. The US jolts job thing. Come on, ES, let's reject all of that. Got Wix just stabbing up in all this consolidation from pre-market. All these pullbacks went 30 points. You're gonna tell me this time it only goes 20? That's a good thing, right, Alito? for this short. God damn it. Yes, is still just sitting down there. Come on, we want to see red. Where are our sellers at? Every single trade we get in, it goes sideways. Very nice. What's your stop at though? Like all-time highs for the account? Got some selling coming through on Delta. But she's not wanting to go yet. Oh, nice. That's on that big one, the one that you racked up like a huge balance. ES is making me want to hold on to this, but I'm losing my patience with it. All right, can we go down now? You took out these highs one last time. I think that's a good sign. taking out the high and then a quick reaction down. Is ES even moving? All right, this is it. It has to be it. You gotta be kidding me. Chef, what the hell? Every single one of these highs on Delta is breaking this, but we were unable to get up there. We have some selling coming through, but it's getting ate up by somebody or something. Alito, what's your footprint telling you? This might not do anything until the news, right? I mean, do we hold this through there? It's getting closer. Are you guys holding this through the news? If it doesn't go? This should be interesting. Alito. I mean, I wasn't trying to play it either. I was trying to freaking get this move earlier. What are we doing? A lot of buying, but we didn't go anywhere. Came up to that point of control. Still not up at that one. That high back there. But I guess we're gonna take it out. Let's get out. I don't know what the frick. I think we had some. God, that's so frustrating. I was so confident in the short. Probably just gonna frickin' just keep ripping higher if ES keeps going up. We still haven't taken that out yet. That in this trade back here was frustrating too, because if I didn't hesitate, I would have gotten my points out of it. Then maybe I wouldn't. Maybe I would have just freaking waited till after the news and not even taken that. This one doesn't work out, then we are not shorting anymore today. Maybe we should just long this. Long it until it shows it's something shows we're going to turn around, because it's just not willing to. It might be crazy to long, but look at this. We just hit the new week opening gap. like the bottom part of it, or the, like, should we keep going higher? I mean, I could see us going and taking out this high that we left yesterday, and we got super close to it at a 270-ish. God, we can't. I'm gonna get some coffee. This is kind of frustrated. Kind of frustrated. I couldn't hold that short this all the way up to here. I mean, we're just making higher lows, so maybe that's a good long there. I don't know. I don't trade like that anyways. Delta's breaking this low and we're not over here yet. And at a 200 or at 100 level, that is a if this thing drops now, I'm gonna be a little frustrated, a little more frustrated than I already am. We barely took out this low on with price. Delta went pretty far beneath it. Can we get the highs? Just that this week we can't get any follow through with the trades. This low is the first time we broke a swing low since we opened, right? I mean, we had some here, but this was just, we were just in consolidation mode before the news. You gotta be kidding me. I'll be right back. This is just not doing anything, huh? think ES is just being weird because it's so close to the highs. So is it going to make NASDAQ be weird too? Still on a short. We took this low out on the tick chart when we started to go back up. It couldn't get back up to those highs. Tons of selling coming in. What is that? It just like appears. A red and a green candle just appear on the tick chart. What the like? What is this? Keep going. Like that's a decent move, but it's being a little funky. Hey, I mean, if you made money on it, like I feel like that was a decent. I mean, we didn't get 36 points, but that was a quick 30 points right there. But I feel like it's just waiting for like a really big drop, you know? No, you got to slap that market, Alito. What'd you do, Chef? Like 30,000 today? Nice. We're kind of sucking lately on our evals. That 50K I was more than halfway to passing the other day, but we've had several red days on it now. Want to see how Delta and price reacts coming back up to 200-ish. $45s fill a gap. Oh, down in there. That would be nice. Pretty a decent little reaction off of it. I still feel like there's another big drop coming. Oh yeah, of course. That's how it always goes. That's how it always goes. ES is trying to push down there. Jesus Christ. That's insane. We have some selling, but we're not down to that 176 on NASDAQ yet. Still got selling coming in. Let's go Alito. ES is going lower. Please just freaking drag NASDAQ down. Look at all the selling. Like look at ES, and NASDAQ is just being a little. My God. I don't want to trade anymore. This is so stupid. I'm pretty sure every single account is red. I stopped trading some accounts and kept trading some. Just keeps getting bought up anytime we drop a little lower. Like it goes so slow down except for that one move. And then just boom, right back up. What do you mean? What happened? The frick is a 1-to-1 appeared? That they both made lows? What are you talking about? That happened on ES. I think it keeps dropping too. Like I think NASDAQ goes and takes out this 134 back here. I turned off the copier. I'm just on this Phoenix account. Or maybe a long is good here. I mean, this delta's almost back to the 930 lows and price is nowhere near it. Yeah, Alito, it's been cracking lower and it's not doing anything. I have to go run errands and stuff, and then I have lunch plans. I might. No, I'm not going to. I was thinking maybe trade this afternoon, but this freaking sucks. Came right up into this 5-minute, dare I say, fair value gap. Look how messy. I mean, look at the 5-minute. There's just all these wicks and small, pretty small bodies. This an ES is a literal dumpster. So, frick, we just got to deal with our red day. God damn it. Well, yesterday was a green day on our fundeds. Today's a red day on everybody. So I guess that's okay. But I'm pretty sure all my fundeds are just in the red. Which is not what I want. All right, I'll potentially do a stream this afternoon. I don't know. I probably shouldn't, but we traded until the afternoon yesterday and did fine. Right? Maybe it'll be good to take a break instead of sitting through like the lunch, you know? So you guys be careful. for performance. I mean, I think I hit max. I think I hit 1,000 on the 150K. God, that first trade was so frustrating. So it's yeah, I won't force anything. We took several trades off of cumulative delta. I was looking at this high back here, and you can see the high on delta kept getting taken out, but we were nowhere near it on price. This one. So like all these highs, we kept taking them out, and this one, or yeah, this right here, when that was happening, I noted it, and I should have got in immediately, but I've been hesitating too much, and I can't do that. Like I need to get in with I should just get in with all 3 contracts, because that's when the 20-point move happens, is pretty quickly right when we put that swing in and when I notice it. So as soon as this red candle closed, should have just marketed in 3. We were only risking 5 points. And then it went straight down to 25 points. I could have had my 20 points on all 3 contracts, risking only 5. But I hesitated, so I got in late. And then as it was moving, then I added. So our average was like way down here at 177. We only ever went 10 points or so. And then it just started climbing back up. I feel like that set the tone for me for the day, because that really frustrated me. And I knew I was frustrated, but I still kept trying to trade anyways. I should have taken a little longer. So then I think I tried it again back here. I don't know. Let's turn the trades on. They're all over the place, but yeah, so it happened. We had a swing. This was me getting out of that short back here, even though it worked. I was just super late to the party. So it happened again, and again I got in late, and then I added, and it just wasn't willing to go down yet. So then I'm like, well, frick, maybe we shouldn't be shorting. Then we long, and then it does start to go down. It's just one of those days. This is I don't know, it's too much, man. It's too much today. But that's the 150K. We hit the daily loss limit on it that I set up, minus 1,000. This Phoenix account, we are at minus 260 at the moment. We've just been like up and down lately. This is a my funded futures funded. We're down 400. We went to minus 650 on that. That's not good. Shouldn't have went that deep in the red on it. So not the best risk management today, but I mean, I'm being forced to stop at the moment because I have to leave. But we may come back later and trade this afternoon, but probably just trade that Phoenix account and leave everybody else alone, or maybe just maybe some evals or something. But my fundeds, I don't know what's going on. Freaking. No, it's not that, Chef, but I have been wanting to trade longer. Like I don't have anything to do all day. I should be on the charts trying to read them, assuming I feel okay, you know? Money is the problem right now, trading NQ futures. I can't be just buying straight to funded accounts for like several $100s. I don't know how much they are, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, you guys will, if you guys are on YouTube, you'll see if I go live later or not. Maybe the afternoon will be better after all this crap's over with. We'll see. I don't know. Whatever. If not, I'll see you guys either this afternoon or tomorrow morning. Yeah, for sure, Chef. Appreciate it. All right. Talk to you guys later.